If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Words should be weighed, not counted. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Shared joy is a double joy. Shared sorrow is half a sorrow. If you cannot live longer, live deeper. Do good and throw it in the sea. It is better to light a candle than curse the darkness. Where love reigns, the impossible may be attained. A man who uses force is afraid of reasoning. Still waters run deep. He who does not travel does not know the value of men. The night rinses what the day has soaked. Measure 1,000 times and cut once. A spoon does not know the taste of soup, nor a learned fool the taste of wisdom. The most beautiful fig may contain a worm. Change yourself and fortune will change. In love, there is always one who kisses and the one who offers a cheek. Evil enters like a needle and spreads like an oak tree. Who begins too much accomplishes little. Whoever gossips to you will gossip about you. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Don't sail out farther than you can row back. There is no shame in not knowing the shame. The shame lies in not finding out. Age is honorable and youth is noble. In a battle between the elephants, the ants get squashed. If you take big paces, you leave big spaces. Before you score, you first must have a goal. Good advice is often annoying, bad advice never is. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Do not rejoice at my grief, for when mine is old, yours will be new. What you see in yourself is what you see in the world. It takes a whole village to raise a child. Examine what is said, not who speaks. Two wrongs do not make a right. A large chair does not make a king. Instruction in youth is like engraving in stone. Deep doubts, deep wisdom. Small doubts, small wisdom. A man does not seek his luck. Luck seeks its men. A teacher is better than two books. A beautiful thing is never perfect. The reputation of 1,000 years may be determined by the conduct of 1 hour. Character is always corrupted by prosperity. A fault confessed is half redressed. To be willing is only half the task. Everyone is kneaded out of the same dough, but not baked in the same oven. The heart that loves is always young. He who always thinks it is too soon is sure to come too late. Turn your face to the sun and the shadow will fall behind you. When the sun rises, it rises for everyone. No man can paddle 2 canoes at the same time. If you go to a donkey's house, don't talk about years. Speak the truth, but live immediately after. Thanks for hearing and watching Storyteller. Thank you.